Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. Here to do my sinking funds today, and I'm using some side hustle money that I raised, which was really great. I have been busy clearing out and putting things up for sale. I have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95. Whatever I don't stuff will be left over for my savings challenges, my next savings challenges. So I got myself £95 from selling some stuff from home, and I'm really chuffed about it. I've made a couple of changes because I wanted to take this tracker out because it's getting confusing. It's okay when I put the money in, but then when I take it out, this bears no relevance. So what I decided to do now is just use these trackers. At the moment in my Wellbeing I have £50 and I always want to have £70 in there. I'm going to put 20 in. And today is the 26th. So I've put 20 in and I've got 70 now. Let's just double check that. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. I think I might just want to put an extra £20 as soon as I can. That's just for some vitamins that I'm going low on. My hair is going to get £10. I still have my £50 left, and I'm going to put £10 in, so I will have 60 in there. That's 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. How have you all been doing for the weekend? I am just lounging in my PJs today. My going out envelope is empty because I had 25 and I spent it last week. I went out and had a great night out with friends and family. So I'm going to put 25 in for going out. That's 20 and 5. I'll just mark that off. I had nothing in there, so that's minus nothing, and then plus 25. I now have 25. Then I have my hobbies. I'm going to colour my piggies in. Actually, I'm gonna take away this tracker. I'm just gonna use this. I have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 so far, and I'm gonna put £10 into hobbies. That's 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. That's into hobbies, so let's do that. Plus, what did I put in? £10. Plus £10, so I have £40 now. I think these is much better for the sinking funds because I can track it better than having the other ones. Now the Labour one is fine because what I'll do is just mark it off. If I take any money out, I'll just strike them off in black so I'll know. I did do that with the going out one, but that's getting pretty confusing as well, so I'll take that out as well. I did strike off the £30 that I had put in, and I had £25 left, and I spent that last week, so there's no more of that now, and I've just topped it up with the £25, so it's a bit confusing. I hope I'm making sense. It makes sense to me, so I don't need that anymore. It's best for me to just use these trackers. I did get these free trackers online that I print off when I need them. That's all done. Hobbies is done, and the Labour now, I'm going to put £10 in for Labour. If I need anything doing around the house, then I could just use this money, just little things. So each pig is £5, so I'll colour in 2, and that's that. So now I have in here, in Labour, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Great. That's what I'm going to do from now on. And then if I spend any money out of it, then I'll just strike them off with a black marker so I know where I am with it. And I do like this little tracker. Pocket full of change, saving all the 5s, which in I am, and I'm hoping to at least get £250 saved up. But if I don't, if I have to dip into it, then I'll just dip into it. That's all done, and I have £20 left, and that is going towards my savings challenges, because the more I can get into my savings challenges, the quicker I can get them done. I'm going to use these for something else. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to use them for. So it's not been very much that I stuffed today, but it's enough to get me by. I am fully funded for if I want to go and get my nails done in my Wellbeing. I want to get an extra £20 so I could top up on some vitamins, but I'm not in a hurry for those as yet. That £20 is going to my savings challenges. That's it for today. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I'll see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.